learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
The traditional Uran mooncake contains perishable ingredients such as pork, lard, and melon. Unfortunately, in the early days, not everyone owned a refrigerator. That's why a cake shop in Erlun Township, Yunlin County, replaced all the perishable ingredients with 7 different types of locally grown nuts, such as peanuts, walnuts, and almonds. This change allowed the mooncake to be stored for longer periods of time and fits with today's trend for healthier foods. This delicious cake became a delicacy and is ranked as one of the top 10 gifts from Yunlin.
Hey, it's time for another edition of Talk About Hakka on FM 100 Icrt.
Hello， 大家好，我是邊個 Leo。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And this whole month of September, we are exploring a county that I'm finally learning more about, and that is 云林县的二仑乡。我们去了很多地方，但是到头来我还是希望知道可以吃什么。
你有想买东西、吃东西是不是？
That's right. Let's talk about some of the food that you can find here in Yunlin County, Erlun Township. And what's there to introduce, Leo?
好吧，那我就带你去买那个电炉好了。
电炉对，伴手礼嘛。
是的，是的。
All right. What is there to buy? 我们可以带回去给亲朋好友们吃。
这边最有名的就是二仑乡的饮薯饼。
饮薯饼 ，OK， 很酥的饼的样子
对对对，
薯饼应该是
薯饼就是酥的饼，
没错哦。这个
是
要配茶，应该很好吃。到底是什么酥饼？
它就是说有很多种不同的那种坚果类在里头。
So it's called 五仁酥饼 because there are multiple ingredients in this crispy cake.
里面就有那个云林最有名的反条。
花生在那边很有名哦。
对啊，
反条 I know this already. It's a peanut. Okay, so there are peanuts.
另外还有黑影，
杏仁吗？
对，
哎呦，我真的猜到的耶。That's almonds, okay? 杏仁，
还有反瓜子，南瓜子。
Those are pumpkin seeds, all right? 哇，这个介绍的真的好，因为我很喜欢这个果类的东西，坚果类。That is definitely a great recommendation, Leo. 谢谢你介绍这道五仁酥饼啊。
饮薯饼。
饮薯饼 There's a lot of peanuts, 花生，
反条
and for instance almonds, 杏仁，黑影 and many more ingredients in this crispy cracker. Go buy it, go enjoy it, all at 二仑乡 in Yunlin County. So that does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什么大家？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.